So you're 15 years old or 13 or whatever, you're a complete beginner and you're wondering how to make money online. Now, I'm gonna give you some real talk right here because I've had tens of thousands of students at this point where I've taught how to do marketing and how to make money online and start online businesses and all that stuff. And frankly, I see problems at both ends of the age spectrum. I see problems with people that are really young. I see problems with people who are really old, and they're both mindset things. The problem with people really young, if you're 15, what I see, you have no confidence, okay? First off, you have no confidence. You keep complaining about, or asking, does this work for 15-year-olds? Or does this work if I'm 12? Or does this still work? I saw this video was posted a month ago. First off, stop with the stupid questions. You're either gonna do it or you're not, okay? Make a decision, confidence or not. We'll make this poll the girl. This poll is my girl. You're not gonna get the girl. You walk into the club and you're just kind of like, You're either gonna go up to her and talk to her and say hello like a man or a woman, whatever you are, or you're gonna just be a bitch and go out, stay away, go back to the bar, or I guess you're 15, you shouldn't be drinking, don't drink. But the point being, you're either gonna do it or you're not. Complaining and whining and saying, oh, can you do it? It means you're gonna do nothing, okay? I hear this all the time. Does this work for 15-year-olds? Even if I say yes, okay, right? Let's say, ask me, can I do this when I'm 15? If I say yes, you're still not gonna do it. Why? It's because you just have no confidence up there. And that's not even the first bit. I'll tell you how to solve this in just a little bit here. I'll go over methods to get that confidence in a little bit later. But I want to address these issues that you're bringing up with me first. The second thing is you're not taking responsibility for your own success. You're asking me, hey, I posted a couple links, but I didn't get any sales. Okay? First off, I'm not your daddy. I'm not going to say, oh, let me hang out there, little guy, and help you out. I'm a multimillionaire. I make almost $1 million a month. I'm not going to walk you through, I'm not going to sit down with you. You're asking to contact me. I'm not going to sit down and show you step by step. I just don't have that. You can't pay me that amount of money. Okay, so you have to take responsibility for your own success or failure. Until you take responsibility for your own success or failure, whatever you want to call it, only then can you change it. But if you don't take responsibility for your own actions, if you just throw your hands up in the air and you say, I tried it, it doesn't work, okay? You're not taking responsibility for your own success. I don't hear you're complaining, but you have to take responsibility for your success until you change it. Now, when I was getting started in affiliate marketing, I was doing Facebook ads. So this is a couple years ago. And I was trying to get Facebook ads going. I'd always been a Google ads guy, but I want to get Facebook going. I was on this message board and I said, I can't get my Facebook accounts keep getting banned. Like, what do I do? How do I do Facebook ads? I keep getting banned. I can't get my ads up. And a lot of people in this forum, other affiliate marketers, were having a lot of success with Facebook ads. A lot still are. But I just kept getting banned, and I saw these people making tens of thousands of dollars a day. Some marketers would make $100,000 a day. The high level for affiliate marketing, really the top you can really go is about $100,000 a day. There are people that make more than that, but you need big businesses. If you just, one-person operation, you can make $100,000 a day. That's the biggest you can really go as a one-person operation. And I see these people and I say, why can't I get it? And my mentor, or not my mentor, but he was kind of like a mentor figure. He was like a very successful marketer. His name was Charles No, and he responded with just a really short sentence. And he said, the obstacle is the way. And what I realized there was that I wasn't going to get anywhere. Nobody was going to carry me the last couple yards of the football. Nobody was going to close that, I could learn, I could be in this forum and I could get all the way up to here. People would teach me all the way up to here, but the last little bit, you have to figure out for yourself. And it's not because I'm holding back information. It's not because he was holding stuff back from me. It's because the environment changes so fast, because everything's different, because every product you're marketing is different. It's because there's so many differences in everything everybody does. The last little bit, the last few yards, you always have to close for yourself. I teach you every day here, right? And I hope, make sure you subscribe to the video. And guys, if you like this video, type in real talk. If you agree with me, if you think if this is good, type in real talk in the comments. But subscribe and all that stuff, I teach every day. I'm showing you ways, the whole way, to make money online. But it still takes that last little bit, right? Because I don't have the time to go into data analysis or reporting or copywriting or just keeping you motivated to post more links. That last little bit is you. It's relying on you. And if you don't have confidence in yourself, you're not going to make it. Okay? If you don't take responsibility for your success, you're not going to make it. And that's real. And when he said the obstacle is the way, I realized in my head, I thought about it. It was poignant. And he was an ultra successful figure, making millions of dollars a year. And I really ruminated on that line. Because as an entrepreneur, what you can do is you can do two things. Everything I say, you could kind of filter through some filter of skepticism, right? You could say, oh, John has some weird ulterior motive. There's all this weird stuff. And then you could just doubt everything I say and just listen to what society and your parents and your broke friends and your broke family members tell you to do. Or you could filter it through, okay, John's right. What am I doing wrong? So I read that and I thought to myself, the obstacle is getting my ads running on Facebook. That was the obstacle at the time. I thought, I have to figure it out. And instead of looking for a shiny object, instead of looking for somebody to tell me the answer, I realized I had to take responsibility and I had to figure it out for myself. I had to carry that last yard myself. Right? Whatever you need to do to get confidence up, get your confidence up. Separate yourself from the naysayers. If you have family members or friends or all this stuff around you as well, here's a second method to get confidence up. You have people around you that are constantly saying negative things. Oh, you can't, the internet money's fake, right? Why are you following these Americans? What are you doing online? You're wasting your time. You're wasting your life. If you're relying on those people, if you have those people around you, get a job, go to school, get in debt, marry somebody that you don't actually like, but they're convenient and they're close in proximity to you. Then you need to separate yourself from those because it's your life. And you can allow yourself to be a peasant, or you can allow yourself to be a king or a queen. So separate yourself from people who are not going to allow you to live your life. And last but not least is I actually say, play sports. Wake up every morning and just bust down and, work out. Do what you need to do. Go running, play soccer, join teams. There's nothing that I believe has brought me more confidence in life and growing up. And you need confidence in order to be a better version of yourself and really commit to becoming rich as an internet marketer, frankly, anything, okay? And when you start making money, that helps too, right? Because the more money you make, the more confidence you get up to a certain point. I save it all. I don't spend it all. It used to make me feel cool to spend it, but I recommend people save it all. So that's my advice. If you enjoyed this video, type in real talk. If this helped you out in any way, type in real talk in the comments. I want to know who's watching this. I know a lot of people don't watch my videos unless I'm showing you specifically how to make money online. But keep in mind that most of you are not doing anything, okay? Most of you, I see you. Most of you will watch my method of how to make money and you won't do anything. And that's a sin. Decide. Either unsubscribe and don't watch the video and unsubscribe, or take the action. Because there is no middle ground. The people in the middle are the ones who will be unsuccessful. Stay in your life, do your job, or take action. There's yes or no. There's only one choice you can take. So, hope to see you in my next videos. Unsubscribe if you're never going to take any action on any of these videos, because I don't want you on my channel. And if you got something out of this video, like, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'd love to see you in future videos where I will be training you on how to make money online using free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, any way we can with affiliate marketing. And if you're ready to take action, guys, check out the free traffic playlist. I'll be putting it up somewhere around here. These are all free traffic methods that you can put into action and showing you how, instead of wasting your time on Facebook, Google, Pinterest, whatever, you can use these to make money, to get your links out there, to market products and make commissions. So check it out, and I will talk to you soon.